If you need to disable two-factor authentication for your Bank of America account, follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bank of America website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Access two-factor authentication options. In the Settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on this section to view your authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the two-factor authentication settings, you should see an option to turn it off. Select this option and follow any prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Save changes and log out. After disabling two-factor authentication, make sure to save any changes. Once completed, log out of your account to ensure your settings are updated. Remember to consider the security implications of disabling two-factor authentication, as it adds an extra layer of protection to your account.